This week on Tutorial Tuesday, what is this? And why do I have it in every single Tutorial Tuesday? So this right here is a lapel mic, or lavalier microphone. And lavalier, by the way, is French for microphone. So what it allows me to do is I have this little pack here that I would attach onto my back belt, as well as this that I would clip onto my shirt, and there's an identical piece here that plugs into the camera. Now you may be thinking, Caleb, I don't want to go spend a bunch of money on a lavalier microphone. Well, here's something really cool. A good little tip is no matter what you're shooting with, no matter what the camera is, you can actually use your phone for audio as a microphone. So if I go and now switch to the iPhone audio, and you can tell it's the iPhone because now as I back up or bring it closer, it's changing my audio levels. And if you have a shirt that has a little pocket in it, then you can just go ahead and put it in there, and that could be your microphone. You may have even seen when I've used this in previous Tutorial Tuesdays where I'm talking into my phone like this, and that's what I'm doing. I have voice notes open, I'm recording audio, and then I just match up this audio with the video track. Now what's super cool about this wireless audio setup is I can be super far away from camera, and as I walk closer or get further away, the audio levels remain the same. So no matter where I am in relation to the camera, it sounds good. So let's take a listen to the difference in audio quality with the lavalier microphone versus when I unplug it. So I have to probably really shout now for you to be able to hear me properly, and if I keep staying at the same voice where I'm shouting now and I start backing up further and further away, my voice is going to get quieter and quieter and quieter. I hope you've enjoyed this week's Tutorial Tuesday, and if you're interested in learning more about audio quality and how to shoot video and edit video, we actually have a video workshop coming up here soon, so check out the link in our bio for more information, and I'll see you next time.